It is official. Hello, fall, and hello, everyone. Welcome to my home. In today's video, we are working on our fall front porch for 2025. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would appreciate it so much, and it helps out the channel tremendously. And I can be followed on other social media sites, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. This is how the front of my house looks. I have a few summer pieces remaining on my front porch. I am so ready to change things up a bit. And now that it's the first day of fall, I am so looking forward to this season. Let's remove the remaining of the summer decor and we will get started. Now, for those that don't know, I live here in Florida. I was going to say sunny Florida, but lately it's been raining. This really has been the first amazing weekend we've had in a while. So I'm enjoying being outside. I'm tapping these wreaths because we have a lot of lizards and we have a lot of frogs. So I don't want to grab at them because I'm a little afraid of them. My hubby is going to remove the topiary balls off of the bases, and he's going to clean the front porch. It is much, much needed. To clean out outdoor spaces, we use this 30 seconds outdoor cleaner. It works really, really good. We love starting with a clean slate every season by pulling out our pressure washer by Kärcher and getting the job done. It's the next day, and I'm so excited about decorating this space. I've gotten to the point I do not like using wreath hangers on my door or my doors. They scratch really bad. So I went to Dollar Tree and picked up these hooks. They are so strong, guys. I think they're stronger than command hooks. And they've been up since spring. These are the wreaths that I recently purchased. I got a deal on them at Top Shelf, $10 each. But I'm going to be honest with you guys. I stepped back after I finished decorating everything, and I may change these wreaths. I'm almost certain I will. I'm not going to get rid of them. I want to use them in another space, but you'll see for now these wreaths on my front porch. They may change. I gotta snip that tag off. Now, I was planning on decorating my front porch totally different until I came across this beautiful sign from Aldi. It changed my whole design for this front porch, and I'm okay with it. Now, the reason why I want to change the wreaths out is because of the sign. It's picking up more of the orangey tones versus the neutral tones. Let's bring on the doormats, and you already know your girl have to do a layered look, right? This orange and white mat came from Amazon. I will try to link it in my description box below. And the other mat you will see I had for, I think, about a year now. Because our driveway is on the right, I do not want to place pumpkins and different decor pieces here because it's kind of our walkway as well to our front door. So I'm going to decorate around the Hello Fall sign. Bringing in some lanterns that I already owned. Shopping my home for a lot of things to decorate the front porch. Bring on the pumpkins. Oh, yes. Now, you know I'm out here jamming. Hubby has music playing, and I am getting my groove on. Loving it. I did purchase something new for these pots. I always use mums, real mums, but I wanted to do something different. So hubby and I made a run to Hobby Lobby and we picked up these metal pumpkins. As you can see, this is too big, but guess what? We're going to make it work. Hubby bent the stakes to these pumpkins inward, and that's how we're making it work. We also added garland around the base of the pumpkins. Next, we're adding pillows to my bench. These are pillow covers that I already had on hand, and all of them came from Amazon. Now, anything that I can link, I will link them in my description box below. And the very last thing I must do is add a yard sign. Isn't this beautiful? My girl and sister friend Christy C blessed me with this sign. And it says, "Be grateful." I finished just in time because the sun is going down. Let's take a look at what we've accomplished today here on my front porch for fall 2025. As this video comes to a close, I would like to thank you so much for watching and for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And I do have an Amazon store where you can shop for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next fall video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.